Hello everyone, hope you are doing well in the second phase of COVID-19 pandemic. Dear students, we have successfully completed our last academic year in the terror of COVID-19 pandemic, and again we are ready to start with the new spirit. The coronavirus threat is running amok in the whole world and people are scared of the outcome, wondering how they can protect themselves from the COVID attack. Even the vaccination process is in its full speed and it will be also available for the kids and students very soon. Till that, the only option left for you, that is prevention. Remember, prevention is the only cure as of now, and if you suffer from the symptoms, you must contact the best hospitals nearby you for the treatment. The situation is complicated, but the solution is also there. Yes, we can protect ourselves by following some simple steps or coronavirus protective measures. These steps can protect you and your family from the novel coronavirus. We have to take these simple steps seriously because most advanced countries, including our India, have been hard hit by this virus despite having adequate resources at them. This deadly virus is spreading too fast in the second phase of its mutation. So it is our responsibility to shield ourselves from this deadly virus. And dear students, together we can wage this war and win it too. So if we follow some of the best protective measures that I am going to discuss with you in upcoming some minutes. So stay tuned with this video. We will see how to protect ourselves from the novel coronavirus. Wash your hands daily. Coronavirus and its symptoms include fever, dry cough, tiredness and difficulty in breathing. Protective measures that are simple to follow. It sounds simple, but very often people ignore these simple measures. They don't give it enough importance. So you have to wash your hands with soap and water. This is one of the easiest ways to prevent any kind of sickness and illness. Viral particles in your fingers can be easily transmitted to you and others. Whenever you can go to the sink and wash your hands thoroughly for 20 seconds at least. And while you are at it, make the exercise of cleaning your palms, fingertips and your nails, etc. If you are traveling or do not have access to sink nearby, you can use a best sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol content. Be particularly aware of touching a common surface that many others may have touched after coughing or sneezing. Wear mask. Wearing mask is very important. Everyone who is 2 years and older than that should wear mask in public places. Mask should be worn in addition to staying at least 6 feet apart, especially around people who don't live with you. If someone in your household is infected, people in the household should take proper precautions, including wearing masks to avoid spread to others. Wash your hands or use hand sanitizer before putting on your mask. So there are some rules of wearing your mask. So wear your mask over your nose and mouth and secure it under your chin. Fit the mask properly against the sides of your face, slipping the loops over your ears or tying the string behind your head. If you have continuously adjust your mask or it doesn't fit properly, then you might need to find a different type of mask or brand. And most important thing is that when you wear a mask, make sure that you can breathe easily or properly. It is very important. Remember, maintain social and physical distancing. So social distancing is another part, another safety measure. Inside your home, avoid close contact with people who are sick. If possible, maintain 6 feet distance between the person who is sick and other household members. Outside your home, put 6 feet of distance between yourself and people who don't live in your household. Remember that some people without symptoms may be able to spread this virus. So symptom doesn't matter. So you have to maintain social distancing whenever you go in crowd. Get vaccinated. Another important measure is that you have to get vaccinated. Authorized COVID-19 vaccines can help to protect you from COVID-19. So you should get a COVID-19 vaccines whenever it will be available for you. Avoid crowds and poorly ventilated spaces, being in crowds like in hotels, malls, marketplaces, or any other places. It puts at higher risk for COVID-19. Avoid indoor spaces that do not offer fresh air from the outdoors as much as possible. So avoid such type of places where you don't get proper oxygen. Monitor your health daily. Another important safety measure for COVID-19 is that you have to monitor your health daily. Be alert for the symptoms. Watch for fever, cough, shortness of breath or other symptoms of COVID-19. Especially important if you are running essential services, going into the office or workplace, and on a place where it may be difficult to keep a physical distance of 6 feet. Take your temperature if symptoms develop. Don't take your temperature within 30 minutes of exercising or after taking medications that could lower your temperature. You have to follow CDC guidance if symptoms develop.
Reduce stress.
One important thing is that you have to reduce your stress. Stress can impact our health in many ways. There is too much information available, and it is important to get the right information and not get an overwhelming amount of information from the wrong sources. It is important to keep yourself free from too much social media, constant touch with misinformation, so steer clear of unauthentic information sources which can increase stress and you may get sick.
Increase your immunity.
Another important safety measure is that increase your immunity. You have heard all about the things you should not do. It is time to know the things you should do, such as getting an adequate amount of sleep, that means 7 to 8 hours. Eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables if you can get fresh produce near you, and drink lots of water. And it is very necessary in summer that you have to drink maximum water. You can also practice different exercises of yoga like Jalneti, Kapalbhati, Bhrastika Pranayam, and there are several other practices which you can do in your home. Think positive and always be optimistic. These small steps will keep you healthy and prevent you from getting you sick. So dear students, hope you all have understood these protective measures and the same would be implemented by you. So take care of yourself, stay home, stay fit and stay safe. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice time ahead. Goodbye.